Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Learning Amharic with Abel. In today's lesson, we'll be looking at special characters in Amharic. We'll show you how to write and pronounce these characters, and we'll further see some examples of words that contain these special characters. It's going to be exciting, so stay tuned. Hua, lua, moi, soi, choix, roi, quoi, bois, toi, toi, noix, quoi, joie, joie, toi, joie, quoi. Toi, toi, toi. Toi, foi. Now, let's see some words that contain these special characters in Amharic. Bombwa means water pipe. Kwas means ball. Bahwala means later. Guadenya means friend. Kwankwa means language.
ሰላም አይዛን ምን ቋንቋ ማውራት ትችላለህ?
ሰላም ይላል። እኔ አማርኛ ቋንቋ ማውራት እችላለሁ። አንቺስ?
እኔ አማርኛና እንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ማውራት እችላለሁ። How do you say this letter?
ጓ
How do you say this letter?
ቋ
How do you say friend?
ጓደኛ
How do you say language?
ቋንቋ The special characters in Amharic are formed from the second letter in that family and the vowel a. For example, the letter bwa is formed from the second letter bu and the vowel a, which gives you bwa. See if you can spot the second letter and the vowel a for the other special characters. You're doing amazing. In today's lesson, we've managed to cover special characters in Amharic. Don't forget that every lesson brings you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.